see. Multiply that first, and then divide, and then, oh wait, do I add first before I divide? No. Let's start over. Yes, I think I got it. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm working on this equation that a couple of professors from the church gave me the other day, Ned and Linda. And boy, I'll tell you, it was some hard homework. I've had hard homework before. I'm never that good at math. I could do multiply, divide, subtract, whatever, but boy, when it comes to equations, that's tough. So I gave the church some homework this past week during the sermon, which is kind of an unusual thing. You know, we always want to take things out of the service, put some feet, if you will, to what it is that we learn in the sermon. But I gave some homework. I said, we were talking about the Beatitudes, and I encouraged the people of the congregation to be in thought this week of who it is in this world that we live in, who it is that we run into in our everyday path, who it is who is blessed. Now in the sermon, we learned that sometimes people are blessed and we don't realize it. Jesus turns things upside down. It's not always the people who have good health, good wealth, a couple cars in the driveway, always the people that get promotions at work. It's not always those people who are blessed. Jesus turned things around and said, "Blessed are you. Blessed are those who are persecuted. Blessed are those who are poor in spirit." So I encouraged people to take their flashlights around. This is the season of Epiphany. And take your flashlights around with you all through your work and through your play and through your neighborhood and down the sidewalks of the community, and look hard in those places, those dark corners, those places where those who are on the margins hang out. And I encouraged people to find those people who are blessed. And I hope that you all did your homework well this week. So on Sunday, this coming up Sunday, we're going to talk about what it means once we've identified people. What it means that it's just not the idea of identifying, but putting feet to it and doing something about it too, to help those who are in need. To put feet to the idea that the first are last and the last are first. A very gospel idea. It's exactly what Jesus preached. You are the salt of the earth. You are the light of the world. You are the light of the world. A city that is built up on a hill cannot be hidden. Salt. Salt is good, but if it's lost its saltiness, it's no good. And Jesus even goes to the extreme of saying it needs to be thrown out and trodden underfoot. What in the world does that mean to us in our world? I hope that you pray about this, and I hope you look ahead at the scriptures for this coming week and check out the bulletin that is online at the stmatthewelc.com website and our Facebook page. And I hope that you are in prayer about these things, about salt and light and what that means to us. Do your homework. The teacher's going to be looking for some answers. God bless you in your path. God bless you and those who you come across in your week. Peace.